Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Today, we celebrate because we've planted, potted, and placed all the peppers in the front yard. Yesterday, we completed one of our least favorite and probably least essential tasks, which is burying a line of pots in these stones next to me. Although it looks great when completed, it is hard on the hands, even when wearing heavy gloves. I've got a blister to prove it. But it was definitely worth all the effort. This week's video is a short but sweet celebration of completion.
Hey, hey, the planting's all done. Time to do some picking and to have a little fun. Ha, ha, hee, hee, the planting's all done. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Hey, hey, the plants are in the ground and in pretty pots that are sitting all around. Ha, ha, hee, hee, the planting's all done. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Working, working, working every day. Gullah boy needs some time to play. I'm ready for some impropriety. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Go and see a band or get a bite to eat. I've been working hard, so I deserve a treat. Ha, ha, hee, hee, the planting's all done. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Hey, hey, the planting's all done. Time to do some picking and to have a little fun. Ha, ha, hee, hee, the planting's all done. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Starts today, but picking them and eating them is not too far away. Ha, ha, hee, hee, the planting's all done. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Hey, hey, the planting's all done. Time to do some picking and to have a little fun. Ha, ha, hee, hee, the planting's all done. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. There's Freddie.
And cut.
Growing this many peppers is a lot of work, but if it wasn't fun, we wouldn't do it year after year. We always enjoy talking to passersby and providing garden tours, and we started making these videos to share our joy of gardening and hot peppers with as many people as possible. Today, I'm asking for your help. We need many more views and many more subscribers in order to continue producing this content. If you like this video, please share it with at least one other person or post a link on your favorite social medium. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We'll release a new episode every week throughout the growing season, so tap the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your support. Hey, hey, ha, hoo, hee. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.